The sky turns grey against a fiery display of red and golden hues, like the day I fell for you. So what will you do when the sun begins to fall? I'm waiting here for you. Won't you answer my call? Don't you wanna get cozy with me? We'll dive into a reverie. Oh, don't you wanna get cozy? We'll sail across an ocean of sheets. Da 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 da. The wind, it chills you right to the bone, and soon we'll say hello to evening snow. So what will you do when the air gets cold? Won't you quicken your steps and hurry on home? Don't you wanna get cozy with me? We'll dive into a reverie. Oh, don't you wanna get cozy? We'll sail across an ocean of sheets. Da 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 da. Makes me sad, but with you to hold and have, as the days they get shorter, we have reason to get closer. Don't you wanna get cozy with me? We'll dive into a reverie, yeah. Oh, don't you wanna get cozy? We'll sail across an ocean of sheets. Da 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 da. Don't you wanna get cozy with me?
I wonder if you miss me. It's been a long year. Winter has snowed, summer has shown, but I haven't forgotten the sweet taste of chocolate I taste on your lips when we had our last kiss. So here's my love letter, entrusted to the weather. I ride across the waves and flew through the clouds. Yeah, when it's delivered, do what you want with it. You can send it back or keep it around.
Maybe I'm wrong, maybe it's been too long, but I heard from someone that you're back in town. And if it's not too late, I can bring chocolate, and maybe if you want them, some roses too. 'Cause it's been a long year, but maybe you missed me. I think you might remember the words of that tune.
So here's my love letter, entrusted to the weather. I ride across you want with it. You can't send it back or keep it around. I never stopped dreaming about the sound of that song playing in the background when the last night was finally spent. I was left with the memory of that chocolate scent. Ooh, the chocolate scent. So here's my love letter, entrusted to the weather. I ride across the waves and float through the clouds. Yeah, when it's delivered, do what